In this tutorial, we are going to explore the difference between a beat and a rhythm. We can say the beat is a steady, unchanging pulse that rhythms are based on. Some examples of a steady, unchanging pulse would be a tap dripping, a regular heartbeat, or a clock ticking. When we clap the basic beat on the rhythm board, we can see and hear a steady, unchanging pulse. This is the beat. Now we move the basic beat to the solid line above to make room for our rhythm. A rhythm generally consists of notes of varying length of time. In the Little Hands on Rhythm activity games, there are a variety of basic notes and rests representing different beat values that we can use to construct a rhythm. For this tutorial, our rhythm consists of quarter notes, quarter rests, half notes, dotted half notes, and eighth notes. Each quarter note in the basic beat above represents one beat. When we clap and count the rhythm below, we can clearly see that above the quarter note in the rhythm, there is one quarter note in the basic beat. Above the half note in the rhythm, there are two quarter notes in the basic beat. Above the dotted half note, there are three quarter notes in the basic beat. And there are two eighth notes below the quarter note in the basic beat. This means we must fit the two eighth notes equally into one beat. We can now see and hear the different note durations when we play or tap out the rhythm. Here is an example of the rhythm and basic beat played together. Students in upper-level grades can try playing the basic beat and rhythm together by tapping their foot to the basic beat and clapping the rhythm, or tapping the rhythm on a desk. Once this skill is mastered, students can represent the beat and rhythm using both hands. This can initially be a challenge, and it may help to verbally assign a task to each hand before starting. In our example, the left hand is tapping the basic beat, and the right hand is tapping the rhythm. Remember that the rhythms can also be easily rearranged to extend the exercise. This exercise helps with concentration and hand coordination, but mainly it will solidify the difference between a beat and a rhythm. This concludes our tutorial on the difference between a basic beat and a rhythm. Please stay tuned for more tutorial videos featuring Little Hands on Rhythm activity games.